Hello, what's up people? Good afternoon. So today we're going to unbox Oboking 11-in-1 vegetable cutter. It's called Oboking for a reason and we're about to find out after tumejua wenzangu wanaitwa nani. For me, my name is Vivian.
Hello guys, my name is George.
Hello, my name is Jackie and welcome to Kisasahome.
Spark that life. So guys, today we have this 11-in-1 vegetable cutter. Sijui kama mnaona. So inakuja in 11 different parts, but iko na 3 functions, of which first is a vegetable cutter, iko na meat grinder, na iko na juicer. So we're going to show you guys all those parts na advantages za kutumia hii vegetable cutter over the others. So George ataonyesha the parts and then Jackie she will be explaining hizo parts ni za kufanya nini and how to connect them. Zinakujanga zikiwa separate, so to make things easier for you guys, at least muone each and every part venye inakuwa connected. Can you get started?
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, we are going to start with the juicer. So the juicer, it can juice orange juice, apple, inaweza kuna the cucumber juice, inaweza make the mango juice, watermelon, yeah, and many more. All those juice unataka ku make, this will make it for you.
Okay, so guys, unaona inakujanga na so many parts, but to make everything easier for you guys, kila part inakuwa imewekwa kwa karatasi yake, so ukipata zitakuwa so clean, you can use them directly. Ama tu kama wewe ni msafi kama mimi, unaweza washa. So
Sorry.
there's so many papers, so kindly bear with us.
Kind. So guys, all the parts are here.
Just so many things. All of this.
So guys, tutaanza na the juicer.
Now to connect.
Yeah.
So we space. Do away with this.
And remember the juicer nimekuambia tena, you can juice with this orange juice, apple juice, mango,
Carrots pia,
banana.
kama unataka carrot juice,
Yeah.
kama unataka lemon juice, you unaweza tumia kwa all the fruits that you want to juice.
So there's this is the bottom part. So it has a lock. When you lock, it sucks the air in. So this thing can't move. So it
So
connects.
pia the base is unslippery, haiwezi slip, but kama unaona inaweza slip, hii kitu unaona hapo imeandikwa lock, so nikifanya hivi hakuna mtu, siwezi inua hapo hata ukijaribu, so ukitumia haitaanza kuslip.
So I connect the juicer. So you have to lock.
So handles, kuna handles mbili, so unaangalia which one is appropriate for chenye nataka kutumia.
So this is the juicer. It has a filter where you can filter your juice.
Yeah, iko na filter ndani, iko na this one filter.
You can use this to push your
ya remainings ya those tunakataa kufinyika.
Because when unaizungusha hivi inaendanga ikizimove juu, so una press chini, unatumia press chini ndio uweze ku make sure kila kitu
imekuwa grinder.
yeah.
So this is the juicer.
So guys, the next one tutaonyesha the function, it's a vegetable cutter. So George here pia ata connect the vegetable cutter. The vegetable cutter inaweza ni chop.
I think we can create our own.
Okay.
So we lock it.
So guys, the vegetable cutter, you can now the potatoes, carrots, onions, cucumbers, inakaa na different nini
Graters.
the graters, so you change depending unataka size gani.
So we'll use the other handle for vegetable.
So George, the nini this kapatika ndani, so ina have kutoka at
So
the end.
this is where you put your carrots, your veggies. So you rotate this, they are being grinded. So itatokea on this other side
Okay.
as you grate them.
And George, this the handle this handle. How do you connect it to the part of this side?
Oh, it has a lock. You can see this holes. So when you put the grater here, you'll have to check where the lock is so
There's
that you
a
can lock.
button here. Hapo hivyo. Kuna button, so you first push it down, then unaweka and then you release it. Itashikilia hiyo nini. So hakuna venye ukigrind, ukizungusha itatoka.
So you can check the grater.
Graters ziko na different sizes za hizo shimo. So kama unataka hiyo, kama ni carrots ama ni unataka zikiwa finely chopped, kuna ile iko na shimo kidogo na another one and then kuna hii. This one.
So guys, the next itakuwa meat grinder.
So you connect the meat grinder.
So the advantage of the meat grinder, you can grind with the minced, also garlic, paprika, ground ginger.
Yeah, kuna sausages, kuna noodles. Hizo zote unaweza tumia depending on this one. Hivi ndio zina depend kwenye shape inakaa hivi. For example, taka
This for meat.
hapa hivi imeandikwa out, so vitu zako zinatokea hapa hivi out.
Also you can disconnect the parts. You can open, easy to wash. You can change this if you want to. This is for sausage.
Ndio ikuwe na hiyo shape ya kwa refu hivi, ndio maana tunatumia hii. You just unazungusha hiyo nini, alafu itatoka ikiwa na hiyo shape.
This for sausage.
And can I ask you, when you are grinding the meat, boiled or just raw?
I think boiled meat will be perfect.
Yeah.
So we also have for noodles.
For easy grinding.
Yeah, for easy grinding, kwanza una boil the meat and then unatumia hiyo grinder.
This one is for noodles. It's a grind and then come on this side.
guys, you can see it's easy to connect, like how George is doing. Very easy.
Easy to wash.
Yeah. So guys, kuna advantages za kutumia hii Oboking 11-in-1 vegetable cutter. For example, umeona you need to buy, ukinunua hii hautahitaji a juicer, hautahitaji a grinder, hautahitaji a vegetable cutter. Iko na hizo 3 functions already. And another thing, unaona in all the parts unaweza detach, so that means it's easy to wash. Another thing, unaona the base unaweza lock, so ukitumia haitaanza kuslip. Pia hii part ya chini ni unslip, so ukitumia bado haita slip,
So it's easy to use.
yeah. And another thing, unaona all the blades tunazo ni stainless steel. So what are the advantages of kutumia stainless steel over the other metals? One, inakuanga so easy to clean. Ni kama tu kuosha kisu. Hakunanga story nyingi. And then stainless steel inaitwa stainless because haishikangi stain. Unaona vitu kama turmeric iko na color, na mostly tuseme ukigrindia kwa plastic, kitu ya plastic inashikanga hiyo rangi na inakuwa so hard to wash. Unapatanga sometimes your plastic utensils ziko na a yellow stain. So kitu kama hii haita stain, ndio maana inaitwa stainless steel, haita stain. Another thing, haita rust, ni anti-rust, so usikue worried that ita rust, but ukiosha make sure unaiweka place itakuwa drained, haina maji. Another thing ni they are sharp, inakwanga easy to sharpen. Easy to sharpen, but already ni sharp, so you don't need to sharpen them anymore. And then inakwanga strong, haitakuwa deformed in any way. Inakwanga strong, hata ukifinya hivi una feel like, unajua kuna some other metals unafinyanga hivi unasikia ziko weak, so this one is a bit strong. And another thing, you see this part, the plastic part, the hard plastic. So see, iko easy to break, of which is a break, but it's not easy. It's a hard plastic. Yeah, it's very hard. Sema ikianguka from 4th floor ndio itakuwa. Wameweza itakuwa tu sawa, but be careful with it. Isianguke. So guys, when you get this Oboking 11-in-1 cutter, you'll make your life way easier. Hakuna need kushinda unajikatakata ama unatafuta cutting board ama sijui una struggle your salad ikuwe na vitu zenye zinakaa fiti, attractive. So badala ya kushinda una struggle na kukatakata hizo vitu, you can get this 11-in-1 vegetable cutter.
Thank you so much, guys. Hope to see you next time.
Love it.
Bye.
Bye.